Here we are, the Voxtr Beard Growth Bundle. Hello there, my name is Daniel, aka Dan's Beard, and I'm gonna go over a few things about this little bundle right here. Starting with the Voxtr Beard Growth Accelerator. The accelerator, it combines scientifically researched ingredients. Not to mention, we do have a scientist on staff. Now, with these ingredients, they help promote hair growth by stimulating hair follicle production. It also helps improve the look and feel of your skin by hydrating and reducing irritation. It's very simple to use. You apply a dime size to your face morning and night. And to maximize the benefits of this accelerator, hold one sec. It's to be used with the Micro-Needle Derma Roller. Now this roller right here, it micro-punctures your skin, which allows for better absorption. That being said, you apply the Voxtr Accelerator first, and then you go ahead and use this derma roller. In addition to increased absorption, it also increases the production of collagen, which in turn helps promote not only growth, but strength of hair. There you have it, the Voxtr Beard Growth Bundle.